Right. Hi everyone, my name is Andre John and welcome to Playing Drums the Easy Way. Easy way because I show you the easy way of actually playing, taking things step by step by step. So what we're going to do in this video, all right, we're going to be playing 8 notes, all right, or 8 and 16 notes on the hi-hats. All right, we're going to play the snare, we're going to play the bass drum, and we're actually going to incorporate a roll. So these next 2 beats that we're going to be looking at, we're going to be playing the beat, but we're going to include some rolls on it. All right, so let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 4. Very simple beat. All right, but we're going to gradually go up. Roll. Change your reggae. Right, so that's very simple one with 2 rolls in it. So let's increase to 16 notes now on your hi-hat, right? 16 notes is counted 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and 3 and a 4 E and a 1 2 E and a 3 and a 4 E and a 1. The last thing we want to look at is playing and opening your hi-hat. All right, that gives your music a nice feel. All right. And how you do that is simply once you hit, you lift your feet. All right, lift your feet. Okay, lift the pedal on the hi-hat, okay, and you get that effect. Yes, you get that effect. All right, so we want to continue, okay, lifting or using the hi-hat. So as you lift, you lift. So I say lift, shut, right? Lift, shut, right? Lift, shut, right? Alright, so let's go. Last beat now. So we're going to play a little faster. We're going to open the hi-hat consistently, right?